This is 2050, our future. 35 years ago, Chile was a sacrifice zone. And at the same time, world leaders gathered to face climate change.
Y en este esfuerzo se inscribe nuestro compromiso voluntario de mitigación al 2030.
Chile approved the first open-pit coal mine in the middle of Patagonia in Riesco Island during the days of concern about climate change. The purpose of this coal is to be burnt in polluting power plants in the north of Chile.
Pero por mientras, como pueden ser varios años de periodo de depresión de precios, hay que ser lo más eficiente y lo más competitivo posible.
Efficient and competitive means explosions in the middle of Patagonia in order to extract coal in a cheaper and easier way. Blasting. 35 years later, we can see the remains of decades of destruction in Riesco Island due to incoherent energy policies. Riesco Island invaded for the ambition of a few, the ones that couldn't quench their thirst for coal. We made our land suffer. We tried to join forces to fight, but it was not enough. And these images of Riesco Island, our Patagonia, don't exist anymore.
Además, instauramos un impuesto a las emisiones de carbono que comenzará a aplicarse el 2017 y seremos parte de la coalición de líderes por el precio del carbono.
We still have time. We can still change it. Let's rewrite history. It's our responsibility. No blasting. Patagonia free of explosions. We are a single force. Real Chile.